Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to troubleshoot a MovieBox app not opening. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we need to do is check your internet connection. So ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Another method we can do is click and hold down the MovieBox app and click onto I to get into app info. From here, navigate lower and click into storage. And then we want to go ahead and clear cache and see if that works. If it doesn't, go ahead and clear data and then simply open up MovieBox and sign back up and see if that fixes your issue. Another common cause is that your MovieBox app isn't up to date with the latest updates. So go to your player app store and search for MovieBox and make sure the app is up to date. If it says update next to the app, that means it needs an update. If it says open, that means your app is got the latest version installed already. And now if you're running any VPNs or proxies, just simply turn them off because they might be causing issues. And also check server status. So sometimes MovieBox servers may be down. Search online or check forums to see if others are facing the same issue. And now if all else fails, simply go ahead and uninstall MovieBox by clicking and holding down the MovieBox app and click on uninstall, and then go back to your Play or App Store and re-download it. Then restart your device and see if that fixes